The joy of Eid was near. Zainab and Umar were very happy. They went to the market with their parents. Zainab bought colorful bangles and Umar got new shoes. As they roamed around the market, enjoying their kulfi, a differently abled child approached them. When Umar saw him, he felt sad. The child was wearing old and worn-out clothes, and his eyes had an innocent longing, as if he too wished to be part of the celebrations. Seeing Umar's expressions, his mother understood what he was thinking. She smiled and stepped forward to give the child an Eid gift. The child's face lit up with happiness, as if he had finally felt a sense of belonging. With warmth in her voice, Umar's mother said, "My dear, Eid is not just about wearing new clothes or receiving gifts. It is about sharing happiness. We should always be considerate of others, especially children who are differently abled, because they deserve joy just like us."